In today's world, our healthcare system is up against challenges of unprecedented scale. The soaring demand for healthcare services pushes our capabilities to the brink, exacerbated by the emergence of complex diseases that demand innovative treatments. At the core of these challenges is a critical gap in the availability of effective drugs, posing a significant threat to patient care. This scenario is not just a hurdle, it's a clarion call to revolutionize our approach to healthcare solutions, urging us to innovate within pharmaceutical engineering. As we traverse this narrative, you will discover how this field is pioneering the revolution, harnessing innovation and dedication to address today's most pressing healthcare challenges and shaping the future of healthcare. As we delve deeper into the landscape of modern medicine, the role of pharmaceutical engineering becomes increasingly pivotal. This discipline goes beyond just creating drugs. It involves reimagining our battle against diseases. Through the development of drugs, from the molecular level to automated manufacturing processes, pharmaceutical engineering is reinventing our approach to medical treatment. This journey, though fraught with obstacles, highlights the field's commitment to innovation. Engineers navigate the complexities of drug development, laying the groundwork for future disease treatment, while manufacturing innovations ensure drugs are produced with precision and efficiency, upholding quality care. The following segment will showcase the tangible impacts of these innovations, painting a picture of a future where healthcare challenges are met with solutions as compassionate as they are ingenious. Pharmaceutical engineering has proven to be a beacon of hope, thriving amidst significant challenges to enhance patient care worldwide. Through resilience and groundbreaking technology, it has turned industry barriers into success stories, each underscoring the capacity of this field to revolutionize healthcare. These scientific triumphs are monumental, embodying hope for patients by promising not just new treatments, but also an enhanced quality of life. This concluding segment illuminates the indispensable role of pharmaceutical engineering in healthcare, heralding a new era where every healthcare challenge is met with unmatched ingenuity, crafting a healthier tomorrow for all.